Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to calibrate your HUD in Dying Light the Beast, so enjoy watching! As the first step, you have to open the settings. To do it, press here on options or use the O button on your keyboard. Now move to the video tab and here you have to find the saves on calibration. You can use this slider to adjust the size of HUD on the screen, so do it in a way that you want to use it. In my opinion, the best value of course is 100, but if you like to use some smaller HUD size, then it's okay. That is the settings for. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels after watching this video. Goodbye!